The SoundPEATS truly wireless earphones. Are they any good? Keep watching to find out. So check this out guys, I just received these SoundPEATS true wireless headphones without bondage. So full disclaimer before I start this, SoundPEATS actually sent me these to review, but my opinion is purely based on my user experience. I am not swayed by the fact that these were for free. So what's inside the box? Well, obviously you get the SoundPEATS with the charging case, a micro USB charging cable, and also different sizes of earbuds. Alright, let's take them out for a spin. There's a magnet that's holding it, so you're not gonna easily drop it, which is pretty cool. Literally take them out of the case, it's already paired after the initial pairing. This is what it looks like in my ear. Quite small, not very noticeable. So the sound quality is actually pretty good. Both sides got a clicky button. Press once to resume, press again to start the music. Just have to turn it off so I can hear myself. So the noise isolation is actually pretty good. In terms of the fitting, it actually fits alright. Didn't have any issues of it falling out or anything like that. Look, it's very good. But let's do the ultimate test, the burpee test. Burpee test. Success. Still in place. I've got to run all the way back. So I just figured something out. Either side, you press once to start and stop the music, right? But if you double click the right side, it goes to the next track. And similarly, if you double click the left side, it goes to the previous track. And that's pretty cool. And of course, it can take calls as well. So just when I was running, by chance a telemarketer called and I was able to speak to her without any problems. Although I didn't really care what she was selling, but I think she heard that I wasn't interested. So I'm home now after the run. The music is still going. You don't even have to turn it off. Literally just put it back in the case, like so. And by the red light, you can see that it's now charging and the music's off. Alright, so now let's talk about the sound quality. It's actually very hard to tell you guys how it sounds like. You have to listen to it for yourself. So I guess you just have to take my word for it. The sound quality is actually really good. Now to give it a bit of perspective, I'm comparing this to the Jaybird X2s, which I have been using for a good 3 years before it sort of died on me, and I switched it to the other SoundPEATS, the wide ones. The good thing about these is that they got the little magnetic here, but it's still got the wire, right? I have to say that these are actually better than the Jaybird X2. I know it's a big call. Jaybird are one of the top brand out there, but I must say the SoundPEATS, they've done a really good job here. I really like the size of this. It doesn't actually stick out and protrude like the other headphones. See how they stick out? They also stick out like Frankenstein. The difference between these and I guess your more advanced, more expensive earbuds, there's an inbuilt app which you can control the equalizer. Then there's, Find My Buds feature. I've actually tried the Jabra 65Ts. Tried it on for 2 weeks and I had to return it. I was having connectivity issues, and also it wasn't that comfortable. For the money you pay for this, it's actually really good. So with the earbuds themselves, when fully charged, It lasts for about 3.5 to 4 hours. So with this case here, it can charge the earbuds and you have a total playback time of up to 35 hours. That is a lot. There are 3 versions in terms of the casing, okay? The earbuds themselves are the same, but the cases determine how long you can charge this for. So the cheapest version, I think is around $36. The charging goes up to 15 hours. This one's about $41, and you can charge up to 35 hours. And then the next version is around $60, but you can charge up to 55 hours. Okay, so it's up to you which version you want to get. It's just whether how much recharge capacity you want. In my opinion, the best bang for buck is this one, the middle one. Now the prices that I've quoted are the price at the time of the review right now. So if you're watching this video at a later date, then check out the link below for the latest pricing. So I'd like to thank SoundPEATS for giving me this opportunity to review the product. Like I said earlier, you know, yes, I got these for free, but I'm not getting paid to say positive things about this, so take my word for it. And I always look at it this way: if I'm paying 4 times more for a product that does similar thing, is it 4 times better? Look, I'm not an audiophile, but $40 versus $250 headphones, it's a no-brainer. I'll go with the $40. The sound quality is good, right? I'll be very happy even if I pay money for this. In fact, I might go and grab another pair for my wife because they're that good, okay? Alright, so that's it for the review. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you like our content, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Maybe even click on the notification bell because we upload weekly videos. You don't want to miss out on that. See you next time.